Condense each expression to a single logarithm. Let's recall from the notes handout page our properties. Condensing, expanding log properties. We have adding logs, subtracting logs, and then the power rule. You'll use those to condense each of the expressions. The left side of these equations is expanded, and the right side of the equation is the condensed form. Let's go ahead and write out those properties somewhere on our page. We'll call adding logarithms property product log. And then subtracting logarithms, we could call it dividing log. Quotient property, and then power rule, we just put POW log. Alright, so let's look at number 106. We're condense this expression. Log base 7 of u plus 3 log base 7 of v. So what you want to do first is move the coefficients to the exponents with power rule. So then we have log base 7 of u plus log base 7 of v to the third power. Now we will use the product property. So we'll have u times v cubed. So we have log base 7 of u times v cubed. And that would be our condensed expression. So for condensing the log expressions, you want to do this first and then these two. When you're expanding them, I'll do that in a different color. So for condensing expressions, you want to do power rule first. You want to do adding and subtracting log second. For expanding logs, you want to do adding and subtracting first, and then the power rule. Okay, let's look at one more in this section, number 109. 2 log base 4 of a minus log base 4 of b. So we will do the power rule first, move those coefficients to the exponent. So then you have log base 4 of a to the second power minus log base 4 of b. And then you would do your quotient property. You divide a squared, divide by b. So then you have log base 4 of a squared divided by b. And that is your condensed expression. Go ahead and try more of these from this section. Identify which properties you use, show the appropriate steps, and then check your work in the back with the key, and then move on to the next section.